August 13th. International Left-Handers Day and 6 common left-handed expressions, idioms and phrases. Wonder what it's like to see the world from a left-handed point of view? On International Left-Handers Day, August 13th, you get to explore that world for a day. Did you know Presidents Ronald Reagan, Bill Clinton and Barack Obama were all left-handed? Rock out with Paul McCartney or Jimi Hendrix, the world's greatest left-handed guitarist. There's also Oprah Winfrey, Julia Roberts and Lady Gaga, left-handers all. In baseball, there were the legendary Southpaws, Babe Ruth and Sandy Koufax. International Left-Handers Day will be observed on the 13th of August to celebrate the differences and distinctiveness of left-handed individuals. This day was first celebrated by Dean R. Campbell, founder of the Lefthanders International, Inc. in 1976. So, if you're left-handed, grab your left-handed cup and make a toast to all left-handers everywhere. Now, let's go to the idioms and phrases and some examples. 1. A left-handed compliment. It is a remark that seems to be a compliment on the surface, but is ultimately unflattering. This picture is a great example. 2. Have 2 left feet. If someone says that you have 2 left feet, they're saying you're really clumsy. The idiom is often used to describe an incompetent dancer. Why would having 2 left feet be worse than 2 right feet? We aren't sure. 2 left hands also means you're clumsy. Someone might say this to you if you mishandle a ball during a sports game, or spill a bag of popcorn at the movies. 3. Left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. This idiom actually comes from the King James Version of the Bible. The verse originally meant that charitable giving should be kept secret. But today the idiom is used for ridiculing bad communication within an organization. For example, when calling customer service, you might get different information from 2 different departments at the same company. In this case, you'd say their left hand didn't know what their right was doing. 4. Out of left field. Out of left field is slang for something that's odd, out of place or just unexpected. This idiom comes from the world of baseball. It refers to the area covered by the left fielder who has the farthest throw to first base. If someone says your comments or suggestions are out of left field, they might be saying your ideas are unexpected or unusual, but it's more likely they mean your ideas are crazy. 5. Left-handed oath. As you might now suspect, a left-handed oath is statement or promise that's not considered to be binding. In courtrooms, before witnesses take the stand to offer testimony, they are asked to please raise your right hand to take the oath. 6. Keep on the left-hand side of something. The idiom keep on the left-hand side of something is used to refer to someone who won't just follow the herd or conform to what's popular. Do you know any other related idioms? If so, please share it with other learners in comments.